What's the difference between I'm good and I'm fine? Hi, I'm Jeff McQuillan, coming to you from the Center for Educational Development in beautiful Los Angeles, California. An extremely common question in English and in most languages when you are talking with your friends or family or people you work with is to say something like, "How's it going?" or "How are you today?" or "How's everything?" It's a way of finding out if the person is okay. Now, there are a couple of ways you can respond to this. One way to respond is to say, "I'm fine," or simply the word fine. "How you doing today?" "Fine." Now, fine means that there isn't anything bad happening in your life. There isn't anything wrong with you. You're feeling physically okay. But it doesn't mean either that you're great or that you're good. So fine is a sort of neutral way of responding to someone's question. It's still positive, but it doesn't mean that you are the number one feeling the best in the world, let's say. If you say, however, "I'm good," or simply "good," if someone says to you, "How's everything?" you say, "Good." Especially when you say it with sort of a positive intonation or a positive way of expressing it in your voice. "I'm good" is something that indicates that you are better than average, that you are doing really well today. There are some people who might respond to the question, "How are you doing?" with the word "well" or "I'm doing well." But that's not as common as "I'm good" or "I'm fine." Sometimes if someone thinks that you're sick, perhaps because you're coughing or your face looks like you're tired, they might say, "Are you feeling okay?" And you can respond by saying, "I'm fine." "Oh, yes, I'm fine." That means that you're physically okay. You could also say, "Oh, I'm good," meaning not only am I not sick, but I'm feeling good as well. For more explanations about using expressions such as "I'm good," take a look at our Cultural English lesson number 53. If you like this video, please like us on Facebook and Twitter, follow us, and share us with your friends and family. From beautiful Los Angeles, California, I remain Jeff McQuillan. Thanks for watching.